Okay, we're back on Monday, watching Bitcoin, and forming a strong uptrend here, which is nice. Looks like it bounced off this weekly hold level perfectly. Hasn't quite gone down to the support zone like I was anticipating, but yeah, that's good news still. It's kind of breaking out of this trend zone here too. So we'll watch that. And the next stop kind of seems to be this resistance here. Although I don't know how strong that is, since it's not really consistent, across there. But I do think it'll have some sort of resistance there. Level. And then the yeah, if Bitcoin comes down and enters one of these two zones and starts bouncing, can enter along there. But yeah, let's get into some trades I took on Friday. So this was tricks, and this is big long wick and a accumulation close. It did touch the support zone, so I met my criteria. I entered a long, and I did basically a 1-to-1. And I think it exited on target, or yeah, it did exit on target. I think I was probably headed to bed and wanted to exit, so I took profits there. Would have been nice to kind of wait it out, or probably enter a new long up here. Like, there's no reason to wait that out. Let's just go. So yeah, that's a decent trade. But I do have an alert set for it to retest this zone. I can enter a new long. And then Quantum was the other long I took. And I did move my stop here, but it rose pretty fast and I wasn't watching very closely, so it exited on my take profit, which was actually the perfect target in that moment, so I'm not mad about that. And I could have even entered a new long. Perhaps there's a zone right there I could have entered off of and did the same thing, but yeah, it worked out. So that's pretty good. And Adam was the one loser. Unfortunately, I entered pretty high because that candle seemed like the retest, but needed a couple more tries to actually get up. So either I wish my stop could have been a little larger, or would have waited for a deeper plunge into this zone to take as a retest and then like enter on that candle or something. So yeah, I'm not quite sure how differently I would have done that, but yeah, I might need to, when I'm analyzing a potential trade setup, I might want to check for my stop loss and see if it can get below the zone I'm entering at, because then otherwise something like this will happen where I'm just stopped out of my my trade before it even takes off. So yeah, I'll have to think about how I want to do that in the future. But Solana was another trade that I didn't get into, but would have been very profitable. It's like 13.5% right now. Could have trailed my stop. So that's unfortunate, but glad I entered in the moment there. So some watches today, cheese. Looks like I just missed the 4-hour closing. So unfortunately didn't get into this trade. I was watching it on this candle because it bounced off the support zone, but and if we were to max out our stop here, yeah, it's not an ideal stop like I was just talking about, but this trade looks pretty good. So yeah, it's probably not too bad a thing I missed it, because if it does end up coming deeper into this zone and bounces, then that's a better entry for me anyways, so I'll watch for that. Comp was another watch. This candle closed accumulation. Probably would have entered a long there, but yeah, we've already had a little bit of retracement on this new candle. So I don't know, I might still enter it, but there's this huge trend that still has to be broken, which I don't know if it's wise to take a long right into it, so I'd probably leave it alone for now. Then we have KSM, same thing. It's pretty much over its trend, weekly trend, it looks like. So I may go ahead and enter a long here, even though it'd be a little late. I would have a slightly better entry, so we'll look at that. And then last one here is BAT, which I was just waiting for a retest, which I probably should just set an alert for rather than watch, so yeah, I'll do that. And then for non-crypto, I was watching Facebook after its meltdown last week. We kind of have this support zone it's in right now. But I may wait for a stronger bounce before buying. It's headed down even lower today. It's already down at 228, so I'm just gonna watch that. And that's probably what I'll start doing more of in the future. I kind of want to branch into maybe some stocks and Forex or something. Just break up my trades, have a little more diversity and stuff, because when all the crypto markets are headed in one direction or very coordinated, then if I do like 3 trades in the same direction and then the market turns on me, all 3 of those trades are losers. So it'd be nice to have broader palette of trades to kind of diversify with, so I don't have outright losers and winners like that. So yeah, I'll probably start looking into Forex and maybe some stocks, but just kind of want to find a good broker before I start trading with those. But anyway, enough rambling, that's all for today.